Welcome to the assembly manual for the BENTO panel. To start step 1, position pieces 5 and 6 and attach accessories O. In step 2, fit the B accessories into piece 6, then position the pieces 4 in the indicated locations, fit the B accessories, and secure them with the D accessories. Position part 2 and fit accessories B and secure accessories H. Fix the B accessories in the indicated locations. In part 5, attach the H accessories. In step 3, position part 6 and secure accessory P. Fix all the K accessories. With part 3 positioned, insert the B accessories in the indicated locations, secure the H accessories, and then secure the K accessory. Fix all K accessories in the indicated locations. Position pieces 7, 8, and 9, and then secure them with accessories F and J. Fit all accessories C in the indicated locations, position parts 11, and secure with accessory E. Fix the F and L accessories. Position part 13 in the indicated location and use accessory M, then secure with accessories E. Fit accessories B and I into the indicated locations, position the 10 pieces in the indicated locations, and secure all parts with accessory D.